Welcome back to Deb's True Crime Notebook, where we read the documents for you so you don't have to. I bet you missed me. It's been, hour and a half? We're back with more documents, and I think it's going to be like this all day long because, as I understand it, the docket is very full. So let's get into this one. State of Indiana versus Richard M. Allen. Defendant's motion to incorporate evidence presented at the August 1st pretrial hearing into offer of proof at trial. Comes now the accused Richard Allen by and through counsel and respectfully asks this court to consider this motion regarding his offer of proof. In support of this motion, the accused submits the following. 1. A hearing was held on several motions, including the state's motion in limina, in this matter of July 30th through August 1st of 2024. 2. During those hearings, particularly those on July 30th and August 1st, 2024, testimony was taken regarding paragraph 7 of the state's motion, which argued that evidence of the third-party suspects and motive, including those practicing Norse paganism / Odinism, should be excluded from trial. At this hearing, the defense presented its proposed evidence through certain exhibits as well as testimony of Dr. Don Perlmutter, Kevin Murphy, Todd Click, Amber Holder, Jerry Holman, Chris Cecil, and Patrick Cicero, among others, and argued that the evidence should be used at trial to argue that third-party suspects committed the crimes and or that the murders were likely involved in Norse paganism / Odinism, and that said testimony and evidence should therefore be admissible at trial. 3. On September 4th, 2024, the court issued an order granting state's motion in limina and excluding evidence of third-party motive, including evidence regarding Odinism, cult or ritualistic killings, Brad Holder, Patrick Westfall, Johnny Messer, Elvis Fields, Ned Smith, Rod Abrams, Kagan Klein, Jerry Klein, and Ron Logan. 4. In its order excluding the evidence, the court noted that it will allow that evidence to support an offer of proof if one is made by counsel. Therefore, the defense does not believe it is necessary to make the request found in this motion, as the court has already stated that it will allow the aforementioned testimony and exhibits to be used as an offer of proof in the trial. 5. The defense makes its request in the motion at hand to even further preserve the record that the court will allow the aforementioned testimony and exhibits to support an offer of proof that counsel for Richard Allen will be making at trial. 6. The defendant intends to make an offer of proof at trial regarding the evidence of third-party suspects, motive of the individual listed in supra, as well as the third-party suspects who murdered the victims were involved in Norse paganism and Odinism. 7. An offer of proof must 1. Make the substance of the evidence, 2. The grounds for admission, and 3. The relevance of the evidence known to the trial court in the offer to prove Roach v. State 695 NE 2D 934-939 Indiana 1988, also citing Hilton v. State 648 NE 2D 361-362 Indiana 1995. 8. The defendant submits that the substance of the defendant's proposed evidence has been made abundantly clear during the lengthy pretrial hearing regarding the issue and therefore moves to incorporate the evidence presented at the pretrial hearing on July 30th and August 1st, 2024 into the record at trial for purposes of the defendant's offer of proof. 9. The defendant intends to make his formal offer of proof during the defendant's case in chief and present additional legal and factual arguments in support of the admissibility of the defendant's proposed evidence at that time. 10. However, should the court grant this request, as it is previously indicated that it would, then defendant intends to rely on the evidence presented at the pretrial hearing on those issues and not present any redundant evidence in the offer of proof. 11. Granting this motion would serve the cause of judicial efficiency, as the defendant's offer of proof would otherwise cause a significant delay in the trial if the defendant were required to present the same evidence into the record at trial for purposes of the offer of proof. 12. Furthermore, the granting of this motion before trial will also save money for the Carroll County taxpayers, as those witnesses who have been served with subpoenas will not need to appear, nor will they need to be paid the mileage to appear, including the cost of airfare and time for certain expert witnesses that would be especially costly. Wherefore, the accused Richard Allen, by and through counsel, respectfully requests this court to incorporate the evidence presented at the hearing on state motions in limina held on July 30th and August 1st, 2024, into the defendant's offer of proof at trial, and for all other relief, just proper and in the premises. Respectfully submitted, Andrew Baldwin, 17851-41, Bradley Rosie, 23365-09, Jennifer Auger, 21684-41. And there you have it, the third document of the day from the defense. I have been told that there are many more, so we may be seeing each other throughout the evening. I'm basically sitting in the Starbucks parking lot using their Wi-Fi to do this video for you. So, lots of fun. We'll see you next time on Deb's True Crime Notebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell for all notifications, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends and in some groups.